how to create team blocks or how to build up a team builder class here on your Madden 25 account on your game here just in front of you. So now the main thing is this is the Madden 25 game, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can access the team builder here on your game. So you have to simply open the team builder feature create suite when player can relate logos and many different things. Under the brand tab, choose the logo, color palette and fonts. Now select uniform tab to personalize home and away, helmet, jersey, band, etc. For the statement tab and decide what architecture, capacity, crowd and surface type you want. Lastly, the franchise tab allows you to customize their team and any other details. Now when finished, click on the select and save button, it will be saved. Then select and submit to finalize everything or click cancel button to go back and make different changes. This is how you can actually do it. Thank you so much for watching the video and please subscribe to the channel.